This is not an ordinary tractor. Have you ever witnessed a tractor that rivals the strength of any beast? Designed for diverse agricultural tasks, the Fendt 1050 is a powerhouse on wheels. With up to 517 horsepower and all-wheel drive, it can tackle fields with ease. Equipped with a Vario, continuously variable transmission, it can operate smoothly from 0 to 31 miles per hour, without the need for gear shifts. Weighing 14 tons and towering at 11.7 feet, it excels in tasks from tillage and planting to harvesting and beyond. Wouldn't this powerhouse be an asset to any farm?